Buses can carry many passengers. So when you're following one and the bus that you're following parks in at a bus stop, expect there to be pedestrians around, because stating the obvious, that's where the people are going to be getting on and off the bus. And this clip from one of my viewers proves exactly that. Always try and think of the unseen areas, and most of the time that's behind the bus. Why people choose to cross at this danger point is beyond me, but it's our job as motorists to look out for them.